Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist and I'm back again with another awesome video. Today we have with us the latest portable home entertainment projector BenQ, which is BenQ GS2. Now this is the third sort of successor of the first two models that BenQ has come up in portable, and both of them have been absolutely brilliant in themselves. This is even more powerful, even more smaller, and even more amazing, specifically now that we guys are stuck at home and we want to limit our outdoor activities as much as possible. This is one projector that you need for home entertainment, whether you're watching a movie with your family or watching sports or listening to YouTube videos at any time. This is one projector for which you need. We're going to find out what's inside the box and what all power it packs. And while I take this out of the box, can I please request you to press that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you continue to get all the notifications and I continue to get all the motivation to keep bringing these awesome videos to you. Let's get straight on to it. Hello guys, I'm back again and we are talking about the BenQ GS2, the portable projector, which is the newest addition to the BenQ's family of portable home entertainment system. This is inside the box. We had this beautiful looking bag in which everything was packed up and it makes it easier to carry. It's got a nice sturdy feel to it. It's quite, if you tap it, it's got nice foamy feel and which keeps projector safe. I'm not sure if it's waterproof or not, but I can put that in the description below once I find out from the BenQ team. But this is where you can carry it, and inside is the projector itself. It's the beautiful small looking piece. As you can see, we're going to talk more about it in detail as we go. And then we have all the cables. Of course, we have the power adapter for two different kind of power settings depending on the region, and that's pretty much it. It's got a snap-on kind of proprietary charging port right at the back. We're going to have a look at it, and of course the remote. It's a very basic remote, but it does the job for us. I'm going to keep this on the side so that we can have all the focus on this beautiful looking piece. Now, the first feel of it, beautiful. It's small, it's portable as it claims to be. It looks elegant sitting on your coffee table and giving you that monster high definition screen. It's got all the controls on the top, from power to LED indicators to the back button, home button, and everything else, and the central console to control everything. And thus you can do it with the remote or the BenQ app, which is available in both Android and Play stores. We got a beautiful, elegant looking finish in the front, which has the GS2 branding and the lens right in the front. We're going to talk more about it. It has a very sturdy case here, and you can just dongle it around, as you can see, to adjust the placement of the screen, and it has a screw to mount it on top of the mounting thingies, the tripod. At the side we have this space where you have all the connectivity ports. It's got a USB Type-C connector, an HDMI port, an audio output jack, and a USB port here. We can close that. Now, from the look and feel at the back, we've got of course the fan and the speaker system. We're going to talk everything about it. And now from the look and feel, it's a beautiful looking piece. It's got that elegant luxury feel to it that you want when you specifically, because it's going to sit on your, most likely on your coffee table, so you might as well have something elegant and beautiful like this one on the table. Now let's talk about some basic key features. What you can do, it's got a 500 nits brightness, a contrast ratio of 100,000 to 1. It's got two 2-watt speakers, and these are very powerful, which means the sound system, as against the predecessor, the GS1 and the GB1, which had single system. This is a substantial upgrade from the hardware perspective. It's got a 1280 by 720p resolution. It's got 1.07 billion colors, which means the clarity is going to be absolutely brilliant. At native resolution of native aspect ratio of 16:9, but you have 5 more choices to choose from. Now, amazing looking, and some other stuff. Now, one is it's got some additional features to it. One is autofocus, so you don't have to worry about focusing it. You just press there. That's why you don't see those scrolling things. We're just the focus on this because it has autofocus, so it automatically adjusts the focus to make sure that you have the clearest picture possible. It's got the parental timer. It's got the Lumi Expert auto brightness, so which means it automatically adjusts the brightness of the output according to the ambient light that you're in. So if you're watching it indoors with some basic lights on, or even darker room, or outdoors, it automatically adjusts it. It's got an auto eye protection sensor, which means anyone coming in front of the lens, the screen automatically goes off, and when the person has passed through, or somebody is trying, especially the kids, they try to stare into the lens where the light is coming from. It just ensures that that light doesn't harm them, and it shuts itself off. And once they're away from in front of the lens, it comes back on from where it left off. This is absolutely amazing. You can connect it with, one is the wireless connectivity, which means you can cast from your Android and iOS devices with absolute ease, but at the same time you can connect it with all your gaming consoles and enjoy your gaming on a high definition, whether it's Nintendo, Xbox 360, PlayStation, any of the consoles that you're using, and of course the PC one using the HDMI or laptop USB Type-C. You can enjoy it on a much bigger screen. Amazing stuff. This is what great design and software combines together can deliver for you. It's got its own Aptoide TV app store, which means you can download those Netflix and Amazon Primes to get them on that big screen that you want to watch to. I'm gonna put this on today and watch something amazing and do some recording of it from my phone and show you what kind of how it delivers on Netflix, and try to tether something of that as well. I call this as a perfect family entertainment projector, whether it's at home or when you're going camping and trying or doing an outdoor movie in your backyard with your friends and family. This is a projector that you want. It's got a 3-hour battery inbuilt once it's fully charged, but you can always keep plugged in and continue enjoying that entertainment for a longer period of time. Guys, this is the BenQ GS2, an amazing looking projector, portable projector, a family entertainment system with great output in terms of video, the colors, the brightness and sound. So, but again, Bluetooth, you can always connect it to your external sound boxes and sound bars if you want even more louder. Great piece of hardware, great piece of software, a beautiful looking piece, and an amazing entertainment machine. This is your friend, the Great Lobbyist, and I'm going to say goodbye now. But before I do that, can I please request you to give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave us a comment if you have any questions about the product, the BenQ GS2, or regarding our video or regarding our channel. I'm going to leave the link below to find out more information about the BenQ GS2, and we are going to roll this out towards the end of the video. You will see some output in terms of images and video that I'm going to shoot and watch on this machine. Have a great time. Keep yourself safe. Peace.